Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-4600, a game-changing printer that's taking the world of photography and graphic design by storm. From the moment I unboxed this beast, I knew I was in for a treat. The sleek design, the robust build, and the sheer power it packs. It's a printer that's designed to deliver exceptional results, and I'm here to tell you all about it. One of the key features that really caught my attention is the improved black density with a wider dark color gamut range. What does this mean for you? It means that your prints will have deeper, richer blacks and a more nuanced range of dark colors. Whether you're a photographer printing out your latest masterpiece or a graphic designer looking to create stunning visuals, this feature is a total game changer. The level of detail and depth it adds to your prints is simply stunning, and it's something that will take your work to the next level. Another feature that's worth highlighting is the reformulated LUCIA Pro 2 ink. This ink is designed to provide vibrant, long-lasting colors that will resist fading and degradation over time. But what really sets it apart is its ability to produce a wide range of colors, from subtle pastels to deep, rich hues. Whether you're printing out photos, artwork, or graphics, this ink is designed to deliver exceptional results. And with the printhead and ink included, you can get started right away without having to worry about extra costs or complicated setup. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about support and warranty? Well, I've got some great news for you. The Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-4600 comes with a 1-year on-site warranty, which means that if anything goes wrong, Canon's got your back. And with CES Imaging being a Canon Platinum Reseller, you can trust that you're getting a genuine product with all the support and benefits that come with it. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected and that you've got a team of experts standing behind you every step of the way. As I've been using the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-4600, I've been blown away by its performance, its quality, and its ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer is designed to deliver exceptional results, and it's an absolute joy to use. So if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-4600. With its improved black density, reformulated LUCIA Pro 2 ink, and comprehensive warranty and support, it's a printer that's designed to take your work to the next level. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-4600 is an incredible piece of technology that's sure to impress even the most discerning users. With its exceptional print quality, robust build, and comprehensive support, it's a printer that's designed to deliver results that will leave you breathless. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-4600 today and discover a whole new world of printing possibilities. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This printer has the power to transform your work, to inspire your creativity, and to take your passion to the next level. So don't wait. Get ready to unleash your full potential and experience the incredible power of the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-4600 for yourself.